Hi, my name is Andrés Jaramillo. I'm a master distiller and my specialty and passion are liqueurs and essential oils. During these years, I have been able to see the growing need of unique flavors and aromas that take advantage of the purity and freshness of nature itself. That is when I learned that you don't need more bottles with pre-elaborate content. Instead, a tool that will let us create and experiment with all sorts of ingredients of our taste in our own home or business. Let me introduce you the Easy Distiller by Spirit Hunter. This is the tool that will let you make the same distillation processes that the big distilleries have with the simplicity of a microwave. This is how it works. 1. Add the liquid that you wish to distillate in the chamber. You can use up to 4 liters of either alcohol, water, or ferments. 2. If it's required, you can add botanic ingredients. This will give your final product a delicious aroma with one of the best techniques in the industry, vapor infusion. 3. Use the temperature board to distillate with an amazing precision. This will help you to have safe distillates with an amazing quality. 4. Finally, let the Easy Distiller do its job without the need of supervision. Its system even has an automatic shutdown once the job is done. Use it to create spirits. Infuse the spirits. Aromatic oil. Stimulating oil. Flavoring oil. With your support, we can help thousands of professionals and amateurs amaze the world with their unique creations. The Easy Distiller by Spirit Hunter.